Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Planning a trip can be really stressful, but booking a hotel doesn't have to be. In this video, we will show you how to use Booking.com, one of the world's most popular online travel agencies, to book your next hotel. From finding the perfect location to filtering your search results. We will walk you through the entire process step by step, so whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a long vacation, let's get started and book the perfect hotel for your next trip with Booking.com. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Now, the first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply go ahead and launch your browser. From then, go and click on the URL section and search for booking.com. Here it is, and this is the website. So now, as you can see, let me just close all of these extensions. Here you will find the main page. Here, for example, all you need to do is pick and choose where you want to go. So let's say, for example, we want to go to Spain. So let's do that, and let's choose, for example, Madrid. Now, check-in date and check-out date. For example, when are you willing to go? Let's say like Tuesday. And here, when are you going to leave? So I'm choosing, for example, like I'm going to stay a week there, so 11th. Here, how many people are going to be there? So with you, for example, you and your wife, so two adults and let's say two kids. So age needed. So let's say, for example, 11 years old and 17 years old. Here, how many rooms you want? For example, do you want separated rooms or one room for like for everyone? So let's say, for example, two separated rooms. Then click on done. Now I'm looking for entire home or apartment, or you can say that you are traveling for work. Now let's click here to search without doing these filters. And these are the things that they will show you. Like these are the results. Now let me just close this. Basically here you will find bunch of hotels, apartment that people actually uh, gives to strangers, etc. So they can live in or stay in for a while. Here you can even check the comfort rating. For example, this one has 9.6 comfort rating. Of course, you can see even the price and everything. So let's check, for example, this one, Loft Neo Madrid. And let's see this. So I'm going to click here. And what's cool about it, you will have full pictures about the place. So let's take a look around. So if I clicked in the image here, so let me just open in living room with a large window. Here we go. So let me just close this. And as you can see, this is the room. This is the kitchen, how it looks like. It looks really comfy, really good, clean. Everything looks good. Even like they have shampoo, TV, like everything that you might need in your daily life. So this is the entrance to the house, which is I think kind of like a small house. And yeah, these are the comments. Great central location with easy access to Plaza Mayor, Placaccio, Real de la Madrid, and much more. So here you'll find some informations that people actually got. And here in the bottom, you'll find some access or some features of this apartment. So they have air conditioning, a kitchen, free Wi-Fi, washing machine, flat screen TV, airport shuttle, entire apartment, so you're not going to live with anyone. This is the size of the house in meters, and this that means it has heating. So if it was cold, you can just turn on the heating and you will be as warm as you like. This is the price for four people. As you can see, there is one bedroom in this apartment. There is one full bed and one sofa bed. So you can say that there is two rooms, but Yeah, there is only one bed, so you and your wife will, for example, sleep on the bed, and the kid shall be sleeping in the sofa bed. That's all you have. Or you can just go sleep in the sofa bed and leave your kids with your wife to sleep in the bedroom. So this is the thing. Now, how to reserve? Click in here, and then you'll have to choose, for example, like the pricing that you like. So, sleeps, you need, for example, here two children, here three adults and one child. So, for me, I'm going to choose this one, and then I will click in here to reserve. Now, as you can see, they will take me to the creation of the accounts page. Here we go. Enter your details. So, are you traveling to work? Yes or no? Here, your first name, last name, and the email address. So, it's gonna be so simple. After that, one bedroom apartment. So, you have free cancellation until 12 p.m. on April 1st, 2023. Here it is some information that they will mention again and the full guest name. So, your name, your wife name, your kid's name, everyone's name. You must make sure to say it and mention it over here. Here, add to your stay. So I'm interested in renting a car, for example. If you want to rent a car, they will help you to rent one as well. Here, included in your stay, you will get a free airport taxi. So once you will reach there, they will send you directly a taxi to the airport so it can take you or and bring you to your house. Here's special request. If you want any request, you can either write it in English or Spanish. And here your arrival time, which is your estimated arrival time, so they can know where and when to send the taxi. And here the review house rules. So no parties or events. Quiet hours are between 10 and night 10 p.m. and 9 a.m. and pets are not allowed. So these are some important informations. Make sure to check them before you get to the house and buy it. So here, when you finish, click on Fix Final Details. When you get to that, all you need to do is just get your bank account information there, and just put some information about you, something like address, etc. And then your phone number. Finally, you have to pay, and you receive an email, and the owner of the house will contact you in the address, email, and the phone number that you have picked and choose in this details place over here. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much easy, and as you can see, there is limited supply for your days. So there is like 14 apartments like this already unavailable on this website. So make sure if you'd like to get this house and you want it, just get it. Don't think about it. Don't miss your chance. Just get the best like experience that you have to get. Don't miss anything because people are constantly getting uh, booking from here. So make sure if you find something good, make sure to take it before someone else will rob it from you. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. That's how you can actually book in booking.com. So if you had any more question, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will make sure to leave all your comments with answers. And thank you guys for watching and see ya in the next video.